In this video, we will discuss about the error we got in the previous video. So before showing what happened in the previous video, I will just show what commands we ran and why it got failed. So I will show history. I will do history. Then I will take a tail symbol, tail hyphen last 30 commands we need, and we will move it in one folder, name history or history. So in this history folder, we will get all the last commands. So I will explain you what happened previously. So we created these files abcpqrxyz. These files we created. Then we added and did a commit in this test branch, and we tried to add this in this test repo 123. Okay, this is test repo 123. Here we tried to add it, but since I did a spelling mistake here, if you notice ORIGIN it should be, but since I did a spelling mistake, it threw error and I was not able to add it. So what we did is we created one another branch, that is test2. I thought like I am doing mistake by copying this file name. So I thought like that I did a mistake. So I created another branch test2 and I copied the file part directly from here, and then I tried to run it, and after that it worked successfully. So then after this I tried to fix the error, like why I was getting this another error. So I took it again and then I noticed that I have data spelling mistake, which I corrected it and tried to push it. When I tried to push it, I did origin test branch push, but this was pushing it in the this branch, this repository itself, test2 only. Okay, so here itself both the branches got pushed. If you can notice, that is test branch and branch to test, both are guided here only. Then I told like I will check and let you know. So after that I tried to do it everything from scratch. So I did git init, I checked git status and tried to commit it in the test folder. Then I created a new branch and I tried to add it in the repository with another name. Okay, but it was not getting added, it was not reflecting. So I did try to add like git remote add data. So for doing this, you need to know what is this. Okay, you need to know about that git folder. So if we go in our D drive, here I have the folder name written as with what folder I have wrote it is test. Okay, so we will go test repo 123. Then we need to check these things. Dot get. So in dot get, you can see we have multiple folders. These are like configuration files, head, index, commit, config. These are index files. Then I tried to check each and every folder. I didn't got anything. Then I checked with this remote folder, references remote. So I noticed we have this folder origin and we have this data here. Okay. So when I entered the second time data and then I did a push, it created a folder named data here. If I do want to show you again, then what I will do is I will create one new branch, new repository. I will give name as uh, I should give Yogesh testing kit. Okay, I should give an underscore here so that it is getting separated. Yogesh underscore get. Okay. Uh, Description for testing. I did a create repository. Then I will come back to this branch. Now what I will do is first I will try to add this. Okay, I will create a new branch first of all. So everything is being added. So I will show git status. If I do a git status here, okay, I did a spelling mistake. I need to correct it. Git status. So this history folder is unstaged. History file is unstaged. It will get added. So I will create a new branch. See, we have already this branches here in test repo 123. We have this main branch, and then we have main branch and new branch. Okay, and in that other repository, which is test2, we have this test branch and a branch to test. We have these two repositories. Now what I will do is I will try to create a new branch. Git hyphen branch, sorry, git branch hyphen m. I will give this name as Yogesh Bhagat. Yogesh Bhagat. Okay, I created this branch. Now I will do git status. It will show history as an untracked file. Now I try to get remote add. Okay, get remote add. I took this, I will take this file name. Okay, here I will copy it from here. What I'm thinking is it should get added, whatever I commit, it should get added to this. Okay, get remote add. I will do data. I will do origin. Okay, origin. Ideally, we do origin. So I will do origin. Okay, it shows git origin already exists, which means this origin already exists. I will ignore this as of now so that we can get the error later. Okay. So what I will do is git push hyphen u origin to we need to push to this branch, right? We created Yogesh Bhagat. We created this branch. Yogesh Bhagat failed to push to test2.get. It is showing that as source Yogesh does not match. Okay, I haven't given underscore, so I will give that underscore here. Let us see if it works now. So we can see it is getting added. Okay, so where it got added, let me refresh this page. I can see nothing got added here. So where it got added, it is not added here as well. So I will refresh this test2. I will take the branches. and we can see Yogesh Bhagat is added in this branch, that is test 2. So why this got added here in test 2 is because this origin, this remote, in this remote, the origin, this folder which we have specified, this origin folder is being denoted to this branch, test branch. That is the reason it got created. That is the reason this new branch got created in this repository, that is test2. Even if I try to do add do it in data, if I try to push instead of origin, I will do data, then this branch will be added in this repository. What we say in test repository 123, because this data repository is being denoted, is being devoted to this repository. I will show this with an example. Okay, so get push hyphen u data is getting pushed to Yogesh underscore Bhagat. Let me check if it works. So we can see it will get added in this test 123. I refresh this folder. We can see new had recent pushes 30 minutes ago, and this Yogesh Bhagat had been pushes 30 seconds ago. Okay, so had recent pushes 13 seconds ago. So we have this Yogesh Bhagat folder here. But this is not the game, right? We need to get added in testing Yogesh testing get. Okay, so how to get it there? So for that, I will show what we need to do. Clear. We can see these two folders, data and origin. So what I will do is I will do history copy till last 45 lines, move to, sorry, move to history folder. This folder will get refreshed. So now it has 85 lines. So what we need is we can decided to see the commands. Okay, so instead of data and origin, ideally what we used to do is get commit. No, we used to do get add remote, get add remote to we will specify, we used to specify the folder name, right? This get add remote. So we specified origin and data. So we will specify a new folder, that is we specify something like QWERTY, and it should go to this branch, that is dot get. Okay, repositories does not match any file. Okay, get add remote QWERTY. Battle path remote did not match any file. Okay, Instead of QWERTY, I will do as git remote abc battle path fix remote did not match any files. Okay, so now I will do git push hyphen u. I will push QWERTY to, I need to push it to Yogesh Bhagat. P was capital. QWERTY does not appear to be a Git repository. Let me do one thing. So it is not accepting QWERTY and main and data is not accepting. I will do it here as main. So what mistake I'm doing here is I'm taking the command wrong. So the command is git remote, then we need to add, then I specify QWERTY followed by this URL which I'm taking from here dot test. No, sorry, it will be git. I hit enter. So now it accepted as QWERTY. So if I will do a git push, we will notice that in log section here references a file named QWERTY will got created. So I will do git, sorry, need to take the cursor here, git push. It is good that we get the errors here so that I can solve it. So here earlier in this I was doing a mistake in the command, that is why we're getting this fatal error. Git push hyphen u followed by what we need to push. We need to push this QWERTY to a Yogesh Bhagat branch. So let us see what this does. Now I will refresh this page. If you can see, a QWERTY folder will get created. Then created. Okay, sorry, remotes. Here you can see QWERTY got created. And if I go in this git testing Yogesh testing git, I will refresh it. You can see this got created. I have this Yogesh Bhagat in my section. You can notice this history folder is not getting added if you notice. But we have this history here, right? But it is not added. Uh, it is not added in this. So, do you know why? Okay, I will tell you. See, it is what it is. It is untracked. So we haven't did a commit for this. If I do, it will get reflected only if we do commit. So I will do git commit hyphen m. I will give messages this commit is to add history file. Okay, so I will hit enter. So it is showing git add. So I did a commit, but I haven't added it. I haven't set it to staged. Okay, so I need to get this as staged. Git add history. History. Now, uh, in the copy of the LF will be replaced. Those sketch. We will ignore this warning. Git commit -m. I will give this commit as commit to add history. Okay, it is saying that 75 lines will be added. One file changed. So now I will do git git push. See, if I push -u, if I push QWERTY, this QWERTY, then this Yogesh testing git will be updated. If I select origin, this folder will get updated. Test step 123. If I select data, it will get updated. So I will show here git push u QWERTY, then I will update Yogesh Bhagat. If I did a typo error, see it got reflected. You can see comparison, then writing. This got updated. I will refresh this one. See, Yogesh Bhagat folder was not there, history folder was not there. Now it got added. You can see the reference. Okay, thank you. Thank you for having your patience. Hope you would have understood it. If you're not, then you can ping me. I can check on that part. Thank you so much.